Lemon, salt, turmeric, chili flakes, some mustard oil. We're gonna pop up in the fridge for half an hour at least. Garlic cloves, green chili, ginger, coriander seed, salt, bishop seed kalonji, pinch of carom seed, cumin seed, millet flour, baajre aata, pine nuts paste, hummus. Perfect. Cumin seed, coriander seed. Salt, carom seed, bishop kalonji, again mustard oil, 1 tablespoon almost, millet flour, oil, almost 2 tablespoons. It's almost 1/4 cup hummus. After half an hour, I am going to marinate fish for the second time. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit at least 1 hour. Now we're gonna mix it one more time. I'm going to preheat for at least 2 minutes first. Air fryer time 20 minutes. 380 degree Fahrenheit and stir. Start now. You see the sound? Perfect. Because it's hot, I am using some water. Big piece in the bottom and the small one on top. Now it's okay, not hot. Now I'm gonna let it fry for 10 minutes first. After 10 minutes, now I'm putting back into the air fryer and it will automatically starts where it left. And after 10 minutes the fish will be fully done.